Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Google Meet link on your cell phone. First, locate and open the Google Meet application on your device. Once inside, you'll see a prominent New Meeting button. Tap this to proceed. From the options presented, select Get a Meeting Link to share. This action instantly generates a unique URL that you can distribute to participants. It's a quick and efficient way to set up a virtual gathering without immediately starting the call. After generating your meeting link, the next crucial step is sharing it. You can easily copy the link to your clipboard with a single tap. Once copied, paste it into your preferred communication method, whether it's a messaging application like WhatsApp, a text message, or an email. This allows your invitees to simply click the link and join your virtual meeting seamlessly, making the process straightforward for everyone involved. While generating a shareable link is convenient, you also have the option to start an instant meeting directly. If you need to jump into a call right away, simply tap Start an Instant Meeting from the initial menu. This immediately launches you into the virtual room. Even after starting, you can still access and share the meeting link with others who need to join, providing flexibility for both planned and impromptu discussions. For more organized gatherings, you can schedule a Google Meet directly through your calendar application. When creating a new event in Google Calendar, you'll find an option to add a Google Meet video conference. This automatically generates a unique link and includes it within the calendar invitation. You can then specify the date, time, and invite your participants, ensuring everyone receives the necessary details well in advance for a smooth and timely connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.